The new force and rival front and rear derailleurs incorporate many of the world-class technologies we created for our SRAM mountain bike systems, delivering the same ease of use and high performance of their mountain bike counterparts. It's important to note that our road derailleurs are designed for exclusive use with our new 10-speed double-tap technology and are not cross-compatible with other SRAM shifting systems. The three physical features unique to our road rear derailleurs are cable path, coaxial guide pulley, and the B adjustment assembly. Both rival and force share the following subcomponents: B knuckle, B bolt, B washer and B adjust screw, barrel adjuster, high and low limiters, cable guide, binder bolt, and grooved washer, parallelogram and parallelogram spring, P-knuckle, pulley cage, the upper or guide pulley, and finally, a unidirectional lower or idler pulley. With the rear wheel installed and fastened, check the rear derailleur hanger alignment using a derailleur alignment gauge. This step will help ensure proper installation and optimal indexing of the rear derailleur. Once the hanger is prepped, align the B-adjust washer and B-screw to fit the frame hanger profile. Then, thread the B-bolt into the frame, tightening to 9 to 10 Newton meters. Next, set the high and low limiters. Viewing from the back of the derailleur, adjust the high or H limiter screw so that the guide pulley teeth align with the outside edge of the smallest cog. Next, push the parallelogram inboard and adjust the low or L limit screw to orient the guide pulley teeth directly centered under the largest cog. Finally, set the chain gap, the guide pulley's proximity to the cogs, using the B-adjust screw. Note, this screw is not a tension adjustment for worn springs. Its sole purpose is to set the vertical proximity of the rear derailleur to the cog set. Set the gap to approximately 6 mm for optimal shifting performance. You're now ready to install and pre-stress the cable and housing, as well as fine-tune the alignment and rear index shifting. First, release cable from the rear shifter. Then, thread the cable path and unwind one full revolution of the barrel stop. Now, route the derailleur cable and tighten the cable binder bolt to 5 to 7 Newton meters. You're now ready to fine-tune alignment and rear index shifting. We engineered our new road front derailleurs specifically for 10-speed system performance. The front derailleur cage profile, spring rate, and swing geometry are designed for force and rival front shifters and operate with double cranksets only. A special note, the cage is designed for use with both compact and standard chainring sizes and has a 16-tooth differential capacity. Both force and rival front derailleurs are available in 2-position braze-on, as well as integrated clamp units sized 31.8 and 34.9 millimeters. Installation is similar to other designs available today. Start by adjusting the height of the front derailleur in order to create a vertical gap of 1 to 3 millimeters from the front derailleur cage to the tallest teeth of the big chainring. Next, align the front derailleur cage parallel to the chainrings. Once this is set, torque the fixing bolt with a 5 millimeter hex to 5 to 7 Newton meters. Once the chain is installed in the drivetrain and the rear derailleur has been set, shift into the largest rear cog and, using the inboard limiter screw, adjust the cage to within 1 millimeter of contacting the chain. Next, be sure that the front shifter is in the fully released position. Then, shift into the smallest rear cog. Thread the cable onto the frame, tension it, and install it into the binder bolt and grooved washer, torquing to 5 Newton meters. Now, pre-stress both front and rear cable systems and retension and refix if necessary. Using the front shifter, shift up to the big chainring. Adjust the limiter to facilitate accurate shifts, but also to prevent moving the chain too far outboard. You should note that the double tap shifter mechanism does not have a trim click position in the big chainring. Force and rival front derailleur cages are designed to accommodate the full range of rear cogs in the big ring without chain rub. However, the front shifter does have a trim position to eliminate chain contact when cross-chaining in the small ring.